What's up, people? It's your girl Christina Chanel, and thank you for coming back and watching with me. So today I am going to be showing you ladies how, well, not just ladies, anybody watching, I'm gonna be showing everybody how to go ahead and map out your cap for a unit, the same way I did this one. And if you were here not too long ago, like the other day, I showed you how to match the front of your closure or your wig, frontal, whatever you may have. I showed you how to match it to the rest of your hair if you don't have time and you needed it to match. So basically what you will need is a cork canvas blockhead. I like these ones. This one is a 22-inch because that's the average size of I guess your head. So I have a 22-inch cork canvas blockhead. I do not like the foam ones because they're kind of like long, and no one's head is long like those foam ones, okay? So don't even bother using those ones. These ones are it. And I like the regular size mesh caps because I have tried to use the extra large ones, and for some reason they come out too big with the units, like the units be too big, and it has like some bunching in the back. So I've learned just get the regular mesh caps instead of trying to get the extra large ones. Unless you got somebody with a big ass head, then you know I guess you're gonna need to get the large one. Whatever. So I pin down the back of my stocking cap right here at the back. Let's see that. Pin that down, and that's going to hold down the back part as you are mapping it out. And in the front, I'm going to show you what to do. So you need your cork canvas blockhead, you need your mesh dome cap, you're going to need several of these pins. I dropped that, so what? Everyone went super crazy about these T-pins right here, and I'm not a huge fan of them because if you can see, like, some of the fabric always gets stuck right there, and it's kind of annoying, especially when that fabric is on your lace. You don't need that. And then you'll need your closure, of course. This one is bleached to the gourds, honey. I already bleached that. I sure have. And then you'll need a chalk pen. And if you have a chalk pen at home and you might think it's kind of dried out, just get like a little cap full of water and dip your pen in the water, and it will definitely help it come back alive, because that's just what I had to do. Alright, so once you've put your cap on your blockhead and pinned it down in the back, don't pay attention. I just made this line because I needed to test out my pen to see if it was working. See? And you can tell that's gonna be bomb because you can't even see the lace right here already. So just imagine what that's gonna look like once everything's cut. Like, so that's on there. So I'm gonna turn, and then you just want to pin it around the sides. No. So the closure's on there, and here is my bundles. This hair is super freaking soft. I am trying a new color. As you can see, it is way lighter than this color. We are definitely going to see But yeah, this is definitely a sample that I'm trying, because I'm always on a search for, you know, better. But yeah, I think this color is going to be amazing. We're gonna see. So your elastic band, you never want to sew the same way as your elastic band, you know, in the same direction as your elastic band. Let me just say that. So we are going to go over the elastic band and go like in an oval kind of shape for just a few. Okay, so everybody's different. They might want their hair to like start down here. You know, personally me, after I've made my crown, I will determine if I want, that's basically enough space for me to like pull it down, you know, if I want to do that. And this part really, you know, really doesn't matter. You can, as long as you know exactly where your parts, I mean your tracks is gonna go or so, you can definitely just go about your business and not worry about your lines being perfect. And after you've done this a few times, if you feel comfortable, you can just go straight up, you know, the middle part, and then go around the sides if you want to. That's kind of how I do it. You know, to each his own. See, that's pretty easy. And then, like, you know, once you get up here, around here, you're just gonna go ahead and map out exactly where your lace closure is. Ready for construction. Sorry, I got a little notification right there. Yeah, so that's it. That is how you map out your wig cap for construction. So at this point, I started making my crown, and I had to reposition the closure onto the mesh cap, as you can see, and I am going back and retracing around where I should sew it down. So most of the times you will have to reposition your cap whenever you are making your unit. It just happens that way. But this is gonna look so bomb when I get finished with it. Yes, it is. It is what it is. Thank you guys for watching so much. I just showed you all exactly how to construct your wig cap, your mapping and everything, how to prepare it to get slayed. Okay? If you guys would do me a favor, is subscribe for me, like it, and share it. It's so free to share stuff. Just share it for me. I mean, you don't even have to watch the video. Just subscribe. You know, please. Thank you so much. And for the ladies, gentlemen, everybody who want to make your own units, that video is coming up really soon. So you guys, peace out. Thank you for watching. Bye. And so everyone was asking me about this shirt right here. I just went right to Joann's and found something really cute that I know no one else would use. Just like that. Isn't that cute? That one's always been used. And do it like that. Drop it. And boom. Turns into a baddie in a matter of seconds. Hopefully you enjoyed